Alrighty, hey, what is up YouTube? It's Tim Sparks here, and after doing a few minor tests on the new 15-inch SSL E15D, I believe it is, I think, E15D, it's upside down, but yeah, I had in the 15-inch sealed box for a little testing period, and, well, it sounds pretty good, so I have it wired down to 2 ohms. The meter's a little off, but it is wired down to 2 ohms. Of the pins in there. So put this over to 10 volts AC alternating current. I was doing a little break-in period with it, just using a pink noise, and about 5, 6, 7 volts maybe going to this thing. See, that's just alternating current. Watt-wise, it's maybe around 40 watt RMS going to the speaker. So, put a pink noise on. This is on 10 volts AC alternating current, like I said. I'm also monitoring the voice coil's temperature. So I have an infrared thermometer. Sure it's not overheating while I'm doing all this. It's my first time ever actually trying to break in a subwoofer. Usually I just let it go all out, or I buy them, or I get them used, so I never have to worry about doing any of this shit. But I've heard that it's got a lot of speakers when they're new, they have excess resin and glue and shit that burns off eventually, that causes a little, kind of like a nasty smell, I guess. It's not a subwoofer coil burning, it's just, I guess, heating up. I don't know. I really don't. Anyway, so yeah, let's hope this all goes well. I'll let this thing run periodically on and off. Just running just pink noise, like I said. Alrighty.